Welcome to the Cox Business Video Library. In this segment, we'll provide a general overview of a Polycom 400 series phone, including the various buttons on the phone, how to adjust the sound, and how to change the ringtone on your phone. Finally, we'll identify the buttons and how they may benefit your business. Let's get started. On the Polycom phone, you'll see the standard phone setup with the keypad in the middle and 3 buttons on either side. The 3 buttons on the left are the transfer key, an easy way to transfer a caller from your phone to another extension or party. The voicemail key, press this key to listen to your voicemails. And the hold button, used to put a caller on hold while searching for relevant information or another party to transfer the caller to. The 3 buttons on the right are the headset key, often used by receptionists or employees in busy or noisy areas. The speaker button, best used when multiple parties are in a room and need to hear or converse with the party on the other end. And the mute button, used to block out sound or to suppress dialogue that the calling party does not need to hear. Across the bottom of your phone is the volume key, which can be used to change the volume of your ringer, speaker, or handset. When your handset is in the cradle of the phone and you adjust the volume, you will be altering the ringer of the phone itself. If you pick up the handset and adjust the volume, you're simply adjusting the volume for the handset. Pressing the speaker button will allow the volume key to adjust the volume of the speaker. Above the headset button is a home button, which when pushed will change the appearance of your LCD screen. For our next activity, changing your ringtone, let's use the navigation button to move across the LCD screen and select the Settings option. Once selected, choose option number 1, Basic option, and click the Select button to accept. Next, scroll to option number 4, Ring Type, and click the Select button again. Now you have the option of changing the ringtone for either all your phone lines or individual lines. If you select Default, all phone lines within your business will have the same ringtone. If you would like to change the ringtone to be specific to a single line, simply select the phone line in question, hit Select, and then you'll be given the option of 13 different ringtones. Scroll to the ringtone that you prefer. Next, select the Play button to hear the individual ringtones. Then hit Select when you find the sound that you prefer. Finally, select the Back button to set the ringtone and take you back to the original settings on your LCD screen. Congratulations, your ringtone has been changed. As you can see, the Polycom 400 series phone offers a myriad of choices and functionality that are easily adjusted based on your preference. To learn more about this and other cool calling features, visit our support website at coxbusiness.com/starthere, where you will find additional videos, helpful articles, and user guides. Thank you for being a valuable Cox Business customer.